Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here four different compounds are given. P is a acyclic open chain compound with aldehyde and alkene, and Q is a continuous cyclic rings with side chain methyl and hydrogen, which are stereochemically specified. R is continuous ring system with nitrogen on middle. S is the heterocyclic system with ketone and alkene and nitrogen. You have to find the classification of the compound. It's a steroid, alkaloid, base, or anything else. By looking at it, you might get fear, but it's a simple one. You should know the common classification of compounds. P is just a terpene because you have isoprene skeleton. You have isobutene structure, 4 carbon and 1 methyl side chain. So technically it's isoprene structure. Then Q, continuous structure with 5 member and 6 member and side chain. It's a multi-fused ring, so non-aromatic ring. Technically it is called steroid. And if you have R is alkaloid because nitrogen containing multicyclic compounds. Then yes, everybody knows the DNA base thiamine. For DNA base, no special classification, just memorize it. So 4 different classification. The concept you have to learn here is always should know the classification. Terpene mean isoprene unit, steroid mean multi-fused ring system, alkene mean heterocyclic nitrogen containing compound, DNA base mean it contains base. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.